Hello, is this the garage?
Yes. How can I help?
My car needs a check.
What is the car model?
It is a blue sedan.
What year is the car?
It is 5 years old.
What is the main problem?
The engine makes a noise.
Bring it in tomorrow morning.
What time do you open?
We open at 8 sharp.
I will be there early.
Please park near the door.
Should I leave the keys?
Yes, give keys to me.
How long will it take?
We need a few hours.
I will walk back home.
We will call your phone.
Thank you for your time.
See you tomorrow morning, Nick.
Have a very good day.
Goodbye and drive very safely.
I will drive slowly now.
That is a smart idea.
Hello, I need new oil.
We can change it now.
Please use very good oil.
We use the best brand.
How much does it cost?
It is $40 cash.
That is a fair price.
Open the front hood, please.
The hood is open now.
The old oil is black.
It is very old oil.
I will drain it out.
Check the pink coolant too.
The coolant level is low.
Can you add some more?
Yes, I will fill it.
Do you change the filter?
A new filter is included.
You work very fast, Stan.
I do this every day.
The new oil is yellow.
It is clean and fresh.
Close the heavy front hood.
The car is ready now.
Thank you for quick service.
Start the engine right now.
My car pulls to right.
Let me check your tires.
Do they look very flat?
The front tire is low.
I hit a big hole.
I will check for damage.
Is the rubber broken anywhere?
No, The rubber looks fine.
It just needs more air.
Yes, I will pump it.
What is the correct pressure?
It should be 32.
Please check all 4 tires.
I will check every wheel.
The back tires look good.
They are completely full now.
Do I need new tires?
These tires are still good.
That saves me paper money.
You have deep tire tread.
How much for the air?
The air is completely free.
You are very kind, Tony.
Always drive safely on roads.
I will avoid big holes.
Have a great drive today.
I cannot see the road.
Is the glass very dirty?
My wipers are very old.
It is raining hard today.
They just push water around.
You need new wiper blades.
Do you sell them here?
Yes, we have many sizes.
Which size fits my car?
Let me measure the glass.
Do you have a ruler?
Yes, this side is 20.
What about the other side?
That side is 18 inches.
I will buy both blades.
Can I install them now?
Yes, please put them on.
It takes only 1 minute.
You clip them right there.
Try the wipers right now.
I will turn them on.
The glass is very clear.
They work perfectly well now.
Now you can drive safely.
I can see everything clearly.
Good wipers are very important.
Is the car totally finished?
Yes, everything is perfectly fixed.
How is the engine noise?
The engine runs very quietly.
I am very happy now.
Here is your paper bill.
How much is the total?
It is $200.
Does that include new parts?
Yes, parts and my labor.
I will pay with cash.
Paper cash is always great.
Let me count the bills.
Take your time counting it.
Here is 200 exactly.
Thank you for the cash.
Do I get a receipt?
Yes, I will stamp it.
The red stamp looks official.
Keep this in your car.
Where are my car keys?
They are in the ignition.
Thank you for your work.
Come back for next service.
I will bring it here.
Have a good trip home.